No, here we go. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Brushfire Builds. I've been asked a few times on different comments about the Tundra, the first gen. SURVLE2’s Tundra.
2002 Tundra.
Don't forget to check them out on YouTube, SURVLE2. Jared, hey.
Watch this launch.
Jared, tell me about this thing. What made you choose a first gen Tundra over?
Because it's smaller than the rest of them.
Yeah, but why not a Tacoma?
Bigger than the Tacoma.
And why do you need bigger for it? Was it the V8 that got you? Or?
Yeah, the V8. I don't want a V6.
Yeah. Four-wheel drive, right?
Four-wheel drive.
Cool, cool. What size tires you running?
34 and a half, I guess, according to you.
That's about the same size I run, so about the same. How long is this build taking you to get to where you're at now?
2 years.
About 2 years?
Probably.
Yeah, roughly. Started out already lifted, right?
I actually have no idea, really. But yeah, yeah, maybe slightly.
Rough country, I think it was.
Rough country lift.
So
changed it over to coilovers.
Icons.
Icons.
Right, same as mine.
Yep.
Same as the Sequoia.
Got brand new rear leaf springs in the rear, yeah. Heavy duty.
Heavy duty.
It's got
still rough country springs, right?
It's got an LSD, which may or may not work anymore. And
now what's this top?
Overland campers from Flagstaff.
Okay. What would you say roughly it weighs?
600 pounds. Well, it came out 600 pounds, but it's probably a lot more now.
Yeah. Well, why would that be?
I put 2 solar panels on top, and
all the extra stuff in the back.
Yeah, but it's not
the
really.
Build out's all wood, though, isn't it?
It's not really attached to the truck or to the topper, so.
True.
People don't understand the top part. They think it's a slide-in. It's not a slide-in.
It's not a slide-in, right? It's
bolt-on.
It's kind of like putting a normal camper on your truck.
Canopy.
Not camper, but canopy.
Canopy on your truck.
Yeah.
That has a bed up front.
Yeah. So you can even get them without the beds up front, where the beds are in the middle. We've seen them. They're on Instagram. It's OVRLND, so not fully spelt out. Overland, but it is Overland.
Campers.
Overland campers are pretty good. Check them out. They're nice guys. What'd you?
Got an extra 2 inches on top.
What'd you give for that topper?
How much?
Yeah.
14.
14. So all in all, what do you say? What do you think you're on this build? In the 20s, probably.
Yeah.
Easily.
7, 8 for the truck, and 14 for the.
And then the wheels, tires,
suspension, the
rock sliders, which were custom made by Matt, fabricator, out of Casa Grande. If anybody wants any information from him, let me know. I'll see if he'll give it out.
All the stuff I put in the back, the bumper, winch bumper,
coastal off-road bumper,
rigid lights that cost me $400.
Coastal off-road bumper. That grill looks suspiciously like a Sequoia grill.
No. Could be though. V8.
Have you done anything engine-wise yet, or just exhaust, or?
Didn't even really do much exhaust. It was kind of that way. I just put a tailpipe on.
Oh, okay.
And
so you didn't put a different muffler on?
I did put a muffler on.
Yeah, you put a MagnaFlow on, right?
Yeah, MagnaFlow.
Nothing else engine-wise. It's all bone stock, non-VVTi, right?
Well, it was. There's a lot of brand new stuff on it.
Well, yeah, it's got a new timing and all that.
New timing belt, new water pump, new the cross piece in the back.
Oh yeah,
the water, whatever it's called.
Crossover pipe.
Crossover pipe, yeah.
Intake and gaskets.
Got the rugged.
Not your normal.
Got the rugged radios.
Oh yeah, we did rugged radios. The antennas. These are the Rango, right? Rango off-road, same as the Sequoia's got.
Yeah.
With these great Amazon specials. Had to sneeze, sorry.
They're yellow. You can see
they're yellers. They work.
It's good for the dirt and the dust here in Arizona.
So biggest part of the build is probably going to be on the inside of your cab, I would say.
Yeah.
And then in the back.
And in the back, yeah.
Because there's nothing really to show underneath the hood except for your, well, you've got your dual air compressor mount.
Oh, yeah.
You want to go ahead and show the people that?
Got my air compressor. Oh, I put brand new lights on.
Yeah, yeah.
Got my
so your wiring is actually really nice compared to mine.
Dual pump.
Dual pump with the homemade mount.
Homemade mount. Yes, I made that myself because I didn't like the ones that.
The one that I got was off of Etsy. That one's actually seems nicer than mine.
Yeah.
Because you can get to everything.
And it also bolts in. It's super tight. And
yeah.
yours bolts down to the air box, which is not quite working like you want it to.
Your wiring's pretty nice for your switch panel.
Switch panel, and then wiring for some wiring for my
Dual battery.
dual battery.
Right. Well,
I have one single battery. Kind of not. Yeah. Yes.
well I
but
was
no.
saying dual because you have the front one.
Yeah.
So, no, real nice and clean. Easy build on the inside. You got to like seeing that.
All my wiring for my off-grid system.
Yeah. Well, let's go take a gander at the interior of it.
Cheapest model I could find, so it was inexpensive because I take mine on the trail and I get a lot of Arizona
Pinstriping.
and stuff.
Can you also tell us why you went
I don't care.
extra cab instead of crew cab?
So I could fit things in the back. Took the back seat out so I could put things in.
Yeah, but why
like
not
my
crew
refrigerator.
cab?
Too long.
Too long?
I wanted to be short, narrow.
Takes up some space of the bed too, if I remember right.
Yeah. Yeah, the beds are shorter.
Yeah. So, here's what I was telling you guys about the magic happening here.
There's my refrigerator.
This fridge. I actually will probably have to hop in on the other side. Here's this whole wiring system here. I see you're using a lot of energy. Can you tell me why?
All welding cable.
Oh, welding cable.
All welding cable cables for
Hot and ground?
Yeah, you don't want to use the copper clad aluminum or copper aluminum, whatever it's called, wiring, because it heats up and it's not good. You got to get the welding cable wire to run on stuff if you don't want to burn up in the middle of the night. Or Renogy's, because they do a really good DC to DC charger.
Nice big inverter too.
Nice 2,000 watt Renogy. I don't know, just trusted it. Figured it was, the best on the market, somewhat. I got fuses and fuse blocks and switches to turn off just in case I have to do any work on it. And anything goes wrong, I'm hoping
big battery.
Fuse blocks and the fuses and stuff will
What are you using for a battery?
pop. Lead time, isn't it?
Lifetime?
Light time,
Something
lead
like
time, whatever they are, 230
Watt hour? Amp hour.
Amp hours, which is, if you do the math, it's 12.8 times 230, which comes out to be something.
So you got a stereo and whatnot in here too?
Stereo? Yeah, put the stereo in. Yeah.
Got the quad lock mount.
Got the quad lock. Yep, quad lock mounts.
Got the wolf box.
Wolf box, so for the camera in the rear.
And then a switch panel.
And that stays on the whole time you're driving to be able to record anything.
And I like that box. You make that yourself?
I made that box myself. Yep.
Very nice.
From my CB, or from the rugged.
GMRS, rugged.
Yeah, so that way I didn't have to mount it on the dashboard or cut holes or anything like that.
Nice.
And I can hear.
Let's start taking a look at the rear here.
I got Brushfire Builds on the side. It's a TRD off-road, Toyota Racing Development, because it's got an LSD.
Here's where it all comes into play though.
We probably should have moved some stuff around. So, I got stuff.
Socks.
I put the ladder on so I can get up and down it. I'm old now, so I need some help getting in and out. And so does my wife. And I built this, put this as underneath here is some insulation actually. You can see it right there, and then a piece of plywood under there.
Very nice.
And then indoor outdoor carpeting on top I got from the neighbor guy, E.
Oh, nice.
If he ever watches my stuff, but I doubt it. Or yours. This is a box, and it's got I put a sink in.
It's both directions as well. That's pretty cool.
So it goes down into a little 3-gallon tub, or whatever you call it, bucket and thing. What is
It was a gas jug, wasn't it?
Jug, but it's not anymore. It's a different jug now.
Oh.
And then I got my water supply.
Dometic water supply.
Dometic water supply in there. And like I say, up there's the
Yeah, we'll have to get up in there and take a look.
up there's the sink for brushing teeth and doing whatever. And then I had to have this for the wife. Put that in. Toilet.
Very nice.
It's not staying up there. We go. Got the toilet for me. Well, me and the wife, basically.
Nice.
We don't have to get up in the middle of the night and wander around in the dark and try to find a place to go pee.
Yeah, I'm set up over there in that nice trailer, and I still have to do that.
Yeah. I don't have to do that.
Well, let's get you up in there.
My
I'll
mother's
follow
trying
you
to
up.
call me.
Who?
My mother.
Yeah.
Whoop. It's a little.
We're filming.
It kind. You wasted all of our film.
Film.
It kind of sucks getting in and out slightly. You got to really bend over and get in there. And then
Well, let me come up in there.
should have made the bed.
So there's your sink.
There's my sink. There's the wife's mirror.
Nice.
Here's the
And remotes with the
the
water.
remotes in the water. Yeah. There's a
Oh, actually, it does work.
yeah. Brush your teeth and
Very nice.
wash your hands.
So you got a TV going?
Then I got the TV. Got I bought this at Goodwill for $12.49,
Nice.
and it works fine. Sometimes it's an
LG.
LG,
Looks good.
and that just comes off of here.
Very
And then I
nice.
put it down underneath my storage area.
Nice.
Under here when I
Right down in here. Another
Yeah.
storage spot.
another storage spot. That's where I put it for when we're traveling. I got storage in there.
Nice.
Needs a little cleaning. Really need to go through this and do some cleaning. Got an extra Renogy
Solar panel.
solar panel. Let's hope no one steps on or anything. And then more storage down there to here. That's all my silverware and
Nice.
my
Cooking.
cooking, and then my survival bag stuff. Anything happen. This is my 12-volt supply.
Okay.
For my 12-volt, to be able to plug in. There's one over here, and there's one up here
Very
to
nice.
be able to plug in the
USBs and whatnot.
USBs and stuff, USB-Cs and USB regular. And that runs my lights that I put up along the sides.
Very nice. I'm trying to stand up in here, two dudes. There's a whole bed.
And there's the bed. It's not made very well. And then I got a fantastic fan, which you can hit the button and it'll keep it at a certain temperature in here. Tries to keep it, I think, 70, right?
I think so.
Isn't that what the... And then just on off. I remember that was on off. Now there's
That's
the auto.
auto.
That's the auto.
Yep.
And then you can change it to go forward, backwards. If you
Try
put
to
it,
set 75.
is it 75?
Yeah.
Then if you do it just regular, you can put it up and down or turn it to which way you suck in or blow out.
Very nice. And it's all pretty easy to put up and down, right?
Yep. Yeah, that's all you got to do is take that piece down and hold on to the brown part that's going across the piece of wood, and then slowly lower down the front and then lower down the back.
Same thing, got it.
And then you got to lower down the front before you do the back, and you got to pick up the back before you raise the front.
Nice.
That's what I was told, at least. I'm not 100% sure why. I'm assuming there's some reason. So I don't get in a bind, or maybe, I don't know. And then my light. Huh?
Nice and bright.
That's just down there with magnets.
Nice. Very
Need
nice.
another one for up there, though.
Very nice interior.
I built all this myself.
I see over here you've got your awning.
Got my awning.
Smitty belt, right?
Schmitty built. Got that from some guy that
Broke it.
broke it. He seems to like the awnings like to rip apart and fall off, and
Same with that one.
then, then I get the hand-me-down, have to fix it and make it work. And
Let's
then
see, what do we got here?
my heater, my diesel heater.
Okay.
I have no idea how to say the name. Calorie?
We're just going to call it Temu.
Temu. What? No, I didn't get it from Temu.
Amazon.
Amazon.
Nice.
Diesel heater, but it does the job. Keeps it nice and warm.
Burn you out, right?
Got the heaters and yeah. Burn you out in the heater and the heater pipe. Only go through about half a tank a night. And it just goes up through the window.
Very nice. Let's take a look at your suspension. So you're not as built up as the Sequoia. You're getting there. I will say you've got some nice control arms, those JBLs or something like that.
JBL control arms?
I don't remember what they're called.
Uppers?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
However, one of these days you're gonna have to rock that
They all
Freedom Off-Road.
though.
Well, JR, or SURVLE2,
Yes.
thank you for showing off your beautiful Tundra here.
Yeah.
It's a very nice build, very quality. You actually seem to actually care.
Yeah, I put a lot of money into it. Suspension-wise, changed a lot of parts in there.
Yeah.
Made sure everything was up to snuff.
Yeah, no, it seems like it'd get you on and off road, no problems, off grid. You could probably hang out for a while too, huh?
Oh yeah. Off grid?
No problems, right?
Forever until I run out of food.
Nice. And water.
Because it charges 400 watts of, water. Yeah. 400 watts of charging power, so.
Yeah, power's no problem there.
Power's no problem, and my battery's big enough to last to do whatever you want. Refrigerator, DD.
Any more upgrades coming soon?
Another battery.
Another battery?
Maybe.
Is that all you really need? You gonna do any kind of rear bumpers or anything?
Oh yeah, I need a rear. I want to put on a rear bumper.
Another coastal off-road, right? Dual swing outs probably?
2 swing outs.
That'd be cool.
Tires and then cans for diesel and
nice. That'd
maybe
be pretty cool to see.
Or gas.
Water and gas and maybe so a little extra diesel for your diesel
Yeah,
heater.
I might just do a small one on the side of the camper, a small, what are they, like 2-gallon ones or
Something
whatever?
like that, yeah. The roto packs.
Put the rotor pack on the side for the diesel and then maybe water and fuel.
Yeah, would be the way I'd do it.
Back, yeah.
Well, it's a very nice build and we're happy to have it on Brushfire Builds all the time. You guys have been asking to see it. We're very happy to show you. Hey, by the way, this video is sponsored by R3 Auto Works out of Allert, Tennessee, and also Freedom Off-Road. Go check them out. Get yourself a set of control arms, a suspension. They've been around forever. Then R3 Auto Works. Link in the description to their Instagram. Their website is almost done. And don't forget to always check out Oxedo for your headlights. Don't forget to check out SOA, or to use the code SOA. Don't forget to check out Web Western. Go get you a hat or some other type of Western wear. SOA, once again, for the code. Don't forget to check out Dubby. Dubby's always keeping us hydrated out here and energized. So, thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of this beautiful first-gen Tundra with this awesome camper build. And we're going to see you guys in the next one. And by the way, if you didn't notice, the Sequoia is down. It's getting a new engine, and that video hopefully will be in the making soon. So she's dead. Someone decided to run it through a lot of water, but we won't say who.
Yeah, we don't name no names.
Yeah.
Right, Colton?
Yeah. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Oh, don't forget, get out there. You're worth it.
I forgot to say that. The reason I got that camper was so it can make through the narrow trails.
Oh, yeah. Your camper sucks.